Hello everyone, Sam is there from myforexmagicwave.com. I'm making this small video after a while. I've been busy lately. This is like a weekly recap. Uh, Not a busy week, but few trades. December, the worst month of trading of the year. Okay, in trading business, the last, especially now, from today is December 16. So until January 1st, in fact, January, they're like maybe 10, 8, 10, um, everything is going to be just kaput, dead, completely dead. Okay. And you're probably going to get some big moves, but they're going to be like very chaotic moves out of the nowhere, out of the blue. And it's just that, that doesn't make any sense, not with the technicals or anything. It's just going to be a big move all of a sudden. So need to be very careful, okay? Trading from now till maybe in the mid of January. Okay, let's get started. Few, like I said, I'm being very careful and selective, and very less trades from now on. So this is not this one. Where's my trading? Okay, so this was early in the week on the the 11th, December 11th, Euro Yen with Yen weakness, 40-minute trade from here to straight from one number to another. I'll at the end of the video I'll show you how these how beautiful this number works and where this number come from, these numbers, right? So here I had two very important numbers, 32.27, bouncing from there, make an entry straight down to 33.80, another big number. Okay, that's monthly high. MH means monthly high. WH, weekly high. Weekly high, weekly low, monthly high, monthly low. These are the numbers that I use. So this was on the 11th, and you can see here Euro-Aussie, because it was supposed to come down. Pound Aussie, Euro-Aussie, both. So it came down. I have my analysis on all the pairs, and that's what I teach in my webinars as well. So this is Euro-Aussie 20-minute chart on the 13th. Sell, and it went down a lot more than this, but I just recorded this chart just to show the entry and the setup. See this, all the indicators all the way up, blue, 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 goes into the wave, and then all of a sudden you see a reversal candle, couple of red candle, make an entry, and just sit there, and then wait for the next number. On this one, I didn't place any numbers. Sometimes I'm in a hurry, so. But there are always highs and lows, weekly, monthly highs and lows are in play. I'll show you for the what was the pound Aussie, the last trade that I have. Okay, this one, see pound Aussie. This was a number, but I didn't even. Oh, this is a very big number, by the way. This is 74.75. It's a very big number. But my entry is all the way up. I forgot to put the number again here. And then this is 160 pip. And a webinar I did before this trade, on the 15th, a couple of days before this, and I specifically said that Euro-Aussie and Pound Aussie, they're going to drop because Aussie is getting strong. And that's what happened. And then, there's no rocket science. It's very easy if you have the analysis, and this system is so powerful. There was, like I said, it's a big number, and all of a sudden you got an entry. I made an entry and start going down, and that's it. You hold on to it. That's all. And the next one here, the same day on Friday, is this pound Newsy. Okay, so Newsy was also getting strong, and pound was getting hammered. So that's why pound Aussie and pound Newsy both went down. This is from 40-minute chart. Again, on this one, you can see that when I recorded the chart, I have no levels whatsoever here, right? Okay, so now I'm going to show you why I took this one and why I took many of these. But, the small charts, like I said, the big trades are very few, but the small charts, yeah, you can do it from 7-minute chart, 20-minute charts all day long. Let me show you now the numbers, the levels that, are in play. This is the one, and okay, this was the chart in November. I made that, and I was expecting not this one. This is the current chart, by the way, and this was the chart, right? 21st November, that pound Newsy Okay, we're going to drop from here. Now, these are the numbers. You can see it's 92, 90, 92, 26, 9603, 9069, and 8855, 9539, and 9550. 7, and there was another number was 98 something, which is not, this is on the monthly, it's on a monthly chart, and let me show you. 98 something, I will see 98.45, this low here. This is where it went. Okay, this price. So now check out the 40-minute chart. Here it is. Okay, so basically it was dropping and then going up, and then it went up here. When? It's December 7th. It went up all the way. In fact, here you can see this 98.45 in play. Price went up, and 98.45 start dropping to where? 95.38. You just saw the number. Then it went up again to 97.45. Then it dropped to 93.49. Where are these numbers? Let me show you. Where is 93.49? Okay, 93.49 is here. Where is 97 something? 97.45 is here. Okay, 97.45. That's where we went. Came down. First, we bounced from 94.42. Weekly low. Where it is? 94.42. Weekly low is here. Then we came here on a weekly chart. You can't see none of these actions, right? But on a 40-minute chart, you can see there's ping pong happening between these numbers. It bounced from 94.42, went up to where? 95.39, right? Then dropped down to 93.49. Then it went up to straight 96.03. You just saw the number. 96.03 is right here, right? Then a reaction from there. Little dip here, and then gave me the entry, and then straight back to 97.45. 97.45 is where? 97.45 is right here. All right. Then start dropping. This is where I said in the last webinar that it's going to drop. Not this one, actually. I said pound Aussie and pound EUR-AUD and pound USD. But since this one also pound involved pound, then start dropping. So and my chart is from like a couple of weeks ago, but it was showing the downside. So it started coming down again. Look, bounce from straight, came down to 95.39, bounce, went up to 96.03, start dropping exactly to 92.90. Where is 92.90? Right here. Oh no, right here, right? 92.90. Then bounce from there, 92.90 to the next up there, 93.49. You just saw, broke 92.90, came down straight to 92.26, wobbling around a couple of times, broke that, straight down to 90.35, 90.69 band. Where is that? 90.35 is right there, 90.69, 90.69. So this one and this one very close, 90.35, 90.69. This is the band. It came down there and then bounce back to 96.26, right? And this is where the trade that I'm showing, I was able to make the chart to show it. Which one is that? Look at that. This one. You see that? I just didn't have time to do it, but it was right at 92.26, acting as a resistance, and then dropping again, going back to where? The number 89.57 before bouncing. Okay, this is the current chart that we end up like this on Friday. 89.57. Where is that number? We never saw that one. Oh, really? Right there. Not right there. Right there. This is 80. So this is 89.57. So we start dropping, and all the drama, all this ping pong happen in between from the top till 89.57. Now, on a weekly chart, you can only see one weekly candle. A lot of people are waiting for this, evening star to happen, and then they will open a trade, maybe when God knows how. But in the meantime, you are playing here and making hundreds of pips if you know what to do. This is 20-minute chart, by the way. On a 20-minute chart, things are more clear. You can see this is the one I took. It looks like here, like that, but this is what it is like here. From here to here, that was my trade. See, on a 20-minute from here to here, the move, we are back to 90.69. Actually, that's this little bounce, 90.69. Okay, from 89.57. So 40-minute is like a guiding chart with the levels that you know exactly which level is getting broken and then where we're going, what is the next level, so that you can hold on to the trades like I do for 100 pip, 140 pip, 200 pip. As a lot of people make the entry, and even if they are positive, they don't know when to close, so they get scared. 30, 40 pip, they'll close. Why? If you look at this pair daily range, let me show you this indicator here, right? So it shows you the daily range of this pair. And if you make an entry, pay attention and then don't close your trade. Daily range of this pair is average 60-day range is 190 pip. That means it travels each day 190 pip, around 200 pip. So at the beginning of the day, see this white dotted line? That's the day starting. Right here, the day starts, right? So if you make an entry right there, the red candle starts, and you make an entry at 96.03, why would you close here or here or here? You will wait until 200 pip. It travels 200 pip. The next day is, see this next white line? This is what it is. So from here all the way down, 96.03, it came down to 92. There may be another, oh, right, no, not this. This is the previous one. But anyway, so see, sometimes this is a current day range, 271 pip in one day. Right from there, all the way down. See this white dotted line? That's the day. So out of that, I got 140. What's the big deal? But then if you make an entry right here from 20-minute chart, for example, if you make an entry and it comes here and then you see the blue candles, and if you don't know anything, what I'm just showing you, how to, the levels and then hold on and then daily range and all this, blah, blah, then you will close thinking that it might go up. No. It won't go up. You have an analysis that is showing that we need to drop, bro. We need to go down all the way. This is correction. We may go up again, but all in all, we need to come down from this 50% level. And all these, this low, they're gonna stop the price. Pound as it is in trouble, right? With the Brexit and all that. So knowing all these things, and then you closing trade on 30, 40 pip doesn't make any sense. If you need to know, if you know exactly, and then look at the 7-minute. How many entries? 7-minute chart gives you so many entries. Even going up that little move on a 40-minute chart, look, this little tiny move, right? This is what it's on the 40-minute chart. So if you knew that this is the number and it might bounce from here because it made the lower low already, and it's Friday and it's big drop, so after that we may go back up to 90.35 or 90.69. You could have taken all this, this is an entry, 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 right? And from this to this is probably 20, 30 pip easy. 90.12 to, let's say, 90.60, almost like 48 pip. Even if you close right here, there 20 pip, 30 pip charts is small. It's a small chart. This 7-minute chart is for the small charts. 20 pip, 25 pip. You can just open a trade here, close here, open here, close here, open here, close here, things like that. But my 40-minute chart is a guiding, and that 20-minute chart is the key. Long trades. My entry was here, all the way down, 140 pip, straight up. Right. Similarly, going up, you can see big trades. See this entry here, right? Or this one, you could have taken this, or this one. These are all more than 100 pip trades. Similarly, coming down, if you miss this entry, even this one or this one will probably give you 60, 70 pip to the downside. Even this one also, right? But these levels are very important, and I have these charts made up of for every pair, not only this one, every single pair and indexes. For example, I know what pound index is doing. For example, if I show you the pound index chart. By the way, okay, pound weakness. So let me show you. See the pound weekly chart? It was coming down, and I was screaming that this number is gonna hold. This big highlight number, 65, 68, big number. You know where it is? It's a monthly number. It's right there. Oops. Right there. This big low here, 65, 68, powerful number. So we are having very hard time breaking it to the upside. Okay, we're trying and then getting rejected, trying, getting rejected, and that's what happened last Friday. Badly it got rejected, and then 40-minute chart, you can see 65, 68 right there, and we drop. We'll drop, and then pound start getting weaker, and then pound USD, pound Aussie, pound this, pound that, pound Newsy, they all went down, and I took a couple of trades, pound Aussie and pound Newsy. No rocket science. It's just a matter of learning a little bit. And good things doesn't come easy, you know that, right? So, and similarly, pound Aussie went down. Why? Because Aussie was getting strong. How do I know? Aussie index. Aussie index, I'll show you right now. And you will see what I'm talking about. Well, look, from here, very, very nice area. Let me show you this weekly chart. Aussie index, look, this low here, 48.84. Right there, it bounced. It's only a small one candle, but it did the magic right here. All the way from here to here, Aussie got strong, and then Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, they all went down. I don't have the Euro Aussie charts, saved, so I cannot show you the trades. Only the saved chart I show you. But right now, see Aussie index making a beautiful setup. This is a trend line. It's went up all the way, hitting the TL right now. So if it may reverse from here, at least come back to 49, 48, and then Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie will be running to the upside. This is the ping pong happens all the time. Okay, so this is what it is. So if you like what you saw, want to be a part of it, want to learn all this mumbo jumbo, or when you subscribe, I give you the templates for all the pairs and indexes of weekly charts and monthly charts. So you will have every single thing, everything done on your computer, like this one. Aussie index, you will get the charts like this one and this one, and then you will have all these numbers, bullets, everything live running on your MT4, because I will give you the template of this, not the chart, the template. So when you apply the template, you open an Aussie index weekly chart, apply the template, boom, you will have everything. Similarly, let's say if you trade Euro USD, and you open, all you gotta do is, then you have my template. So in your MT4, you will open your Euro USD weekly chart, monthly chart, simple, and apply the template. As soon as you apply the template, you will have like this on the computer. Monthly chart, weekly chart. My weekly chart of this pair. Let me show you quickly. Before people start screaming. That's a big, long video. My chart was amazing. Look, it was even before that. I'll show you. Look, from here, January, beginning of this year, 2017, when the price was here, I said we're gonna go up here all the way down, up there, right? Look, from here all the way up there. We went there, and right here I said we're gonna drop for wave B, and so far we drop here, we bounce a little bit back to this 1876 number, and then dropping. So this is my analysis, and you will have all these drawn, and then as soon as you apply the template, you will have all these numbers, these bullets, yellow lines, arrows, everything. Just like that, a chart like this, the weekly chart, the monthly chart, right? And then I give you the indicator and everything, and instructions, instructional video, how to open the 40-minute chart and 20-minute chart, and you see all these mumbo jumbos, right? The homework that you need to do is open these charts and then draw these lines by yourself, because I want you to learn. So just take the weekly numbers wherever the price is right here. So what are the numbers very close by? This one, 1713. So you go on 40-minute chart and draw 1713, and we will see what will happen around that number. So maybe it will drop here. This is 1758, this is 1713, right? And before that, you see the reaction from here, and then from here again. Trades, and this is 1876. You see, we drop from there, we bounce from 1876. Now we are already, also, just below 1876. We're dropping. Where is 1876? Right there, monthly low. Where is monthly low? You can see right there. This is the big low. This is a big number. 2041, big number. 1638, big number. These are big numbers. So you pay attention to these numbers. And that 40-minute chart tells you the whole story. And then you take entries from 20-minute chart. And the 40-minute chart is the one, tell you the story, the guidance, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns. I do all these mumbo jumbo on 40-minute charts. So Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A. Then we need to come down for B. And then we go for C. This is the chart I made a long time ago. I don't know. But go and do it. Oh, 26 October. Okay, so this is it for now. Like I said, if you want to be a part of it, learn how to do all this. So far, easy trades, man. Easy. Easy. You can see it's 160 pip, 140 pip, right there. This one, even this one, 100 pip. Small trades from here to here, and this is just like few trades. I'm not trading as usual. Usually I have like maybe 10, 12 trades and all, like big one like that. Okay. You can do the same. Once you learn, it becomes very easy. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.